that sharp, grinding pain in your knee. What if you could actually help your body rebuild what's been worn away, starting today? For so many, the answer has been pills, needles, or the operating table. But a powerful, natural method has been used for generations to soothe joints and support your body's own repair mechanisms. And the best part? You might feel a difference faster than you think. The star ingredient, white willow bark. Let's talk about the star of the show, white willow bark. This isn't a new discovery. It's been a cornerstone of natural wellness for centuries, often called the original pain reliever. It contains natural compounds that help calm inflammation and ease discomfort. But there's more. These substances also work to improve blood flow right to the joint, which is absolutely essential for delivering the building blocks your cartilage needs to heal. Rapid effects and how it works. Now for the surprising part. You can start to notice a change in as little as 15 minutes after your first cup. How is that possible? The liquid format allows the active components to get into your system rapidly, where they can begin to influence those stiff, inflamed areas. This special brew doesn't just mask the pain. It also encourages your body to produce more of its own natural joint lubricant. This fluid is what cushions and nourishes your cartilage with every step you take. Supercharging the tea with additional ingredients. But we can make this even more powerful. To supercharge this tea, we add a few other incredible ingredients from nature's pharmacy. Ginger root brings its own fierce anti-inflammatory power and also boosts circulation. Then there's turmeric, a golden spice celebrated for curcumin, a compound known to help protect your existing cartilage from breaking down further. Finally, we add mineral-rich nettle leaf. It provides silicon, calcium, and magnesium. These are the raw materials your body uses to construct new, healthy cartilage tissue. Combined, they create a truly regenerative drink for your entire joint system. Preparation guide and method. So, how do you make it correctly? It's simple. You'll need 1 teaspoon each of the willow bark, grated ginger, and turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves into a pot. Pour about 300 milliliters of freshly boiled water over the mix, cover it, and let it steep for a full 15 minutes. This waiting time is crucial to pull all the goodness out. Strain it and drink it while it's still warm to help encourage that healthy blood flow. Tea versus capsules and long-term strategy. You might wonder, why not just take a supplement in a capsule? While pills are convenient, drinking this as a tea has a distinct advantage. The liquid means faster absorption into your bloodstream, leading to a more direct and quicker effect on the joint. Plus, the act of drinking the fluid itself is beneficial, helping to maintain the volume and quality of that all-important synovial fluid. Of course, this tea is a powerful tool, but it's not an instant permanent fix. The real magic happens with consistency. When you make this a daily ritual over several weeks, many people report incredible changes. We're talking about less pain, easier movement, and tangible improvements in joint health, especially when paired with gentle, supportive exercises and a diet that loves your joints. Your body's power to heal is waiting to be unlocked. Conclusion. Would you like to discover a specific stretch that can further relieve knee pressure? If you found this valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Natural Life Hacks for more ways to live well naturally.